Yay! So basically, when you first walk in, on my door, I've decided to do this thing where I've started making like a collage of things that remind me of important moments in my life. Honestly, I treat the door as like a scrapbook. That sounded poetic, actually. But anyway, I just have a few art pieces that I really love that I've made, and then also just memorabilia from events in my life. It's like the Victoria's thing, how they like decorate the lockers. Same thing. You walk in and you see this. This is the first thing that you see. If you recognize this is where I film Black Girl Magic Minute. If you have been following me before this YouTube channel, you know that this magazine wall thing has been like a theme in my content creating, mainly because I started Black Girl Magic Minute in 2020 and it was very different format than what it is now, but this magazine wall was like the background for it. And I don't know, I just love how it looks, so I try to keep it a main theme throughout my content. Actually, this is a good thumbnail right here. Should I do a little, let me do my thumbnail right there. Okay, enough. Here's my closet. She's tiny. Y'all want to see one of my favorite pieces? Bro, you know how there are cartoon characters that have like their designated outfit? This is what I would wear. Like, bro, I need to tell you the story behind this. I got this last year as a treat myself for my 20th birthday, and it took 5 months to come. I was on that Depop sellers messaging like hotcakes. I was like, where's my thing? Where's my thing? Where's my thing? The thing said 2 to 4 weeks. It's been 3 months. You not about to scam me. Give me my thing. And I got it. This is the dresser side of my room. As you can see, there's not much on the wall just because like I have plans for it. They're just not here yet. You know what I mean? This dresser was a big girl adult purchase. I'm not even gonna lie. It was from Urban Outfitters. This gonna be here till my second child goes to college kind of furniture. And so I'm not gonna tell you the price because I don't want to talk about it. I love this dress. Like, I don't regret it at all. I love this dresser. So here I just have this shelf that I got from Target. You're supposed to hang it up, but like I decided to put like all of my perfumes here. I am a perfume girly. I love smelling good. There's even like hair perfume here. These random purses that are hanging up, it's actually because this wall had a very different layout when I first moved in, and I had like a whole collage going on. But because the dresser came, I had to move it all around, and then there were like random thumbtacks still up, and I needed a place to put my purses, so I was just like, just throw them up there. I have a record player right here. It's not hooked up right now, but for some reason, there's still a record in here. If you're curious, it's a Samara Joy record. I love Samara Joy. And then books. Listen, I have books everywhere, and there is not, like everywhere in this room, there are books. There's books on the shelf, there's books on my desk, books on this dresser. They're also in the living room as like coffee decor. But I do read them though. They're not just for a show. I do be reading them and getting inspiration for videos. Mirror. I love this mirror. It's like felt. And so because it's felt, I decided to put all of my pins in there. And then some earrings that like are too big. I actually want to put more in here to help me out. But all of my pins are there. And I need to show you this painting I got. Okay, let me show. There's a painting up there that I got from a vintage store. And I don't know, it's just so pretty to me. Like the blues, the jewelry, it's just a beautiful painting to me. And I got it. As you can see, right next to my bookshelf is my desk. And you see, I use this bookshelf as kind of like a divider between the rest of my room and like my workspace, just because I feel like it is important. Especially when you work in one room, you have to have sections so it doesn't feel like you all boxed in and blended together. I love this desk down because it came with like this raised up part, and that was really important to me because I edit a lot. If you've seen my deep dives, the editing goes down. Like multiple times I have gotten floaters from how long I've looked at a screen, which is a problem. Don't do that. Do not do that. If I don't have my eye line raised up, not only are my eyes getting strained, but my neck getting strained too. I'm gonna be walking around like this. So this raised up shelf has helped literally so much. Oh my gosh, like my back feels so much better. That holds my laptop, and then these 2 drawers that I use to hold skincare stuff. There's all my makeup is in here. Then my stationery stuff, Post-it notes. One thing about me, I love Post-it notes. I love Post-it notes. And here's the thing, I use all of these. Up here is my plant. I have not named her. I used to have a lot of plants where I used to live, and I named all of them after celebrities. So like I had Megan the Seedling, Cardi Branch. This was when I was living with my mom. When my mom moved, I also moved, and my plants had to move in the winter in a car, and they all died. So I have to name her. So if you have suggestions, and it has to be based off of celebrities, specifically music artists, specifically R&B, soul, Motown music artists that are plant-based, plant-themed, please recommend them to me because I need to name her. Above my desk is my vision board. I have been making vision boards since 2019, and they hurt me. I have 2 posters. The first one is a BAPS poster. Go on my YouTube channel, and I have literally a whole analysis video on BAPS, which is a movie. That's how much I love that movie. And then if you saw my mirror, I literally have pins too. I love that movie down. It's Call Me If You Get Lost art piece that I bought at Melrose Trading Post in LA. It was this artist that was there. He's really cool. This is what I look like when I'm working. And similarly, this is what I look like when I'm burned out. And one more time, this is what I look like when my friends tell me to stop working. We're talking about it in therapy. But my friend got me this for my birthday because I'm gonna read it. These are leftover magazine pages that I was gonna use for the magazine wall, but first of all, I cut out too many. But that up there is a painting that I made in 2022 because I was going through a time when I realized that in my years on the internet, I had been exploiting myself and not listening to myself. And there was a moment where I came to that realization with my mom. And I was realizing I was like breaking my own privacy boundaries for the sake of becoming a successful creator. And that wasn't happening. And it was a point where I was like, dang, I've been treating myself like this. This is terrible. I've been treating myself terribly. And so in that self-discovery, I painted that painting. It's called Self-Forgiveness. And it's literally me being like, 1, I forgive you. And 2, I'm going to protect you from now on. And the church said amen. Here are 2 shelves to hold more books. That's the reason I bought them, to hold more books. And then a few pictures. And I have this Keep Rising sign that has also been with me since 2020. It says Keep Rising. And that is the saying for the end of Black Girl Magic Minute. And it's based off of Maya Angelou's poem, And Still I Rise. If you haven't already noticed from all of the books of hers that I have, I love Maya Angelou. I've loved her since high school. And a lot of my philosophy is inspired by her writing. So this is my shoe rack and my shoes. And then there are records right there. Yeah, there's more. There's like a shoe rack that I pushed and finagled my way under this bench so I could have more storage. And that is my room. But no, we're not done because it looks like this now. But now I gotta show you night mode. Maybe that was too cheesy. Okay, I'm gonna just do a regular transition. Go to night mode. Welcome to night mode. This is usually the standard light setting that I have at night just because, I don't know, I like the colors a lot and I like pink, if you couldn't tell by the aesthetic of my videos. And,
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ah. It's a light show.
throw on a candle, put some lights on, and then I get to journaling. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this room tour. I hope that you enjoyed it and maybe got some inspiration. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I work really hard on my videos and I would really appreciate it. And thank you for supporting. Bye! So you still here? Alright, we home dogs then. Dab me up. Yeah!